Alright, let's talk about the solar system. Do you know that we are not the only planet in the galaxy? There are about 700 quintillion planets in the universe and about 10,000 stars for every grain of sand in the Earth. But there is absolutely no place like our family of planets. There are 8 planets that revolve around our star, the Sun. The first one is Mercury. It is the smallest planet and the closest planet to the Sun. A day in Mercury can get temperatures of up to 430 degrees Celsius. But despite being the closest planet, a night in Mercury can drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius. A year in Mercury can only last up to 88 days. Venus is the hottest planet because it has the thickest atmosphere and it traps heat within it. It is ionic since Mercury is closer, but Mercury is less hotter than this planet. Because Venus' surface temperature is up to 490 degrees Celsius. It has a lot of mountains and volcanoes that erupt. Year in Venus is somehow closer to Earth, but only lasts for about 225 days. Did you know that Venus is the only planet that rotates clockwise? Another is a very familiar place, our home, the Earth. Earth lies in the Goldilocks zone of the solar system, means it is a planet that is habitable without extreme temperatures. Of course, a year on Earth lasts about 365 days or 366 days if it's a leap year. It is the only planet that is habited with life. Or is it? Mars is the red planet. There are some things that are similar with Earth and Mars. Like a day on Mars only lasts about 37 minutes more. However, a year on this planet is about 322 days more, since it takes a little longer for it to orbit the Sun. You can find the tallest mountain in our solar system here, Olympus Mons, much higher than our Mount Everest. We are on our gas giants. Jupiter is the biggest of them all. It is surrounded by gas and a lot of storms happen here, like the Big Rig Spot. It is said to be occurring for centuries now and still a lot to discover. Other than that, there are also very attractive aurora borealis happening here. And among our system is the brightest one. Jupiter also has 79 moons. Some, interestingly, can harbor life. Saturn is another gas giant, which is unique. It has rings surrounding it, made of rocks and ice. A Saturn day lasts about 10.9 hours, but a year on Saturn takes about 29 Earth years to complete. There's still a lot of mystery about Saturn. Saturn's gravitational pull is strong, and there are about 82 discovered moons on it, including the well-known Titan. If Venus is the hottest planet, Uranus is the complete opposite. It is so cold that the temperature is about minus 224 degrees Celsius. Like Saturn, it also has rings on its side. It spins that way too, which is the only planet that spins on that direction. Did you know that by 2033, Uranus will complete only its 3rd year since its planet's discovery in 1781. Neptune is Uranus' twin planet. It is the furthest planet in our solar system. Therefore, it is the coldest and the windiest planet. It takes about 16 hours to complete one day. But Neptune is currently at its 2nd year since it has completed its first rotation in 2011. Neptune also has rings, but it is really thinner than Uranus and it's very hard to observe. Neptune still remains a mystery to most, but hopefully doesn't stop from learning more about the planet. Those are the 8 planets of the solar system. It is fascinating that there are places discoverable other than our own. There are a lot of mysteries that still yet to be discovered. Basic astronomy is part of our curriculum as well. Power Play Science tackles a lot about interesting science branches, and we take passion in building our young learners to be active in the STEM field. We enforce a positive learning space for children to learn and utilize their skills in the future. If you are interested in enrolling your child, you can send us a message on TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram at Power Play Science. Or you can click the link in our bio to book your free 30-minute call. Until then, follow for more content.